In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meeting in HoneyBook step by step. Whether you're coordinating with clients, collaborating with team members, or setting up a project check-in, HoneyBook offers a seamless way to organize your meetings. Today, we'll walk through the process to ensure you're ready to schedule efficiently and effectively. To start, head over to your desktop or open up your phone and log into HoneyBook. If you're at your computer, make sure you're using an updated browser for the best experience. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the HoneyBook homepage. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the main menu. From there, click on Projects. This tab is your hub for all ongoing projects and meetings, making it the cornerstone for managing your business activities in HoneyBook. After clicking Projects, your screen will display a list of all the current projects you have. At the top right corner, you'll see a New button. Go ahead and click on this button to start creating your meeting. A drop-down will appear, and you should click on Meeting. Selecting Meeting here indicates that you're about to set up a new appointment or a discussion point. Now it's time to name your meeting. You'll see a field labeled Meeting Name. Click into this field and type in a descriptive name for your meeting. Remember, the meeting name should be clear and informative for easy recognition later on. If you're meeting a client or briefing a project, make sure the name represents that purpose. Next up is scheduling the date and time. Click on Date and Time, where you'll specify when the meeting will take place. First, set the meeting start date by clicking on Start Date. A calendar will pop up, allowing you to select the day and time best suited for your schedule. Then do the same for the end date, to ensure that the meeting duration is set according to your needs. The following step involves providing more details about the meeting. Click on Details to continue. Here, you can choose the meeting type by clicking on Type. Ensure you're selecting the type that best fits your meeting's nature, whether it's online, in person, or a phone call. Then specify the location by selecting Location. This is especially crucial if attendees need location details for in-person meetings. Further down, you'll see the Project section. Click here to align this meeting with the appropriate project in HoneyBook. Lastly, once everything is filled out and you're satisfied with your entries, click on Schedule. This action finalizes your meeting setup, confirming everything within HoneyBook's system. And there you have it, a fully scheduled meeting set up in HoneyBook, ready for you to manage your projects and communicate effortlessly. Keep practicing, and soon, setting up these meetings will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling!